Have you ever had a girl seem totally disinterested? No spark in her eyes, cold texts, maybe she even ghosted you. But here's the twist. I've had those same women chasing me weeks later. Not because I begged, not because I proved myself. I flipped the dynamic. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to make a woman chase you, even if she wasn't into you at first. This isn't about manipulation. It's about understanding attraction psychology and flipping the script. In Section 1, why most guys get ignored. Most guys come into dating with this invisible approval-seeking energy. You think you have to win her over, impress her, prove something. But guess what? That energy, women feel it, and it kills attraction. Why? Because you're signaling that she's the prize, and you're just lucky to be there. That's what 90% of men are doing. And if you've been left on read or stuck in the friend zone, this is why. Section 2, the flip becoming the prize. So how do you flip the dynamic? You stop seeking attention and start creating curiosity. One of the most powerful shifts is using preselection and emotional disqualification. Let me explain. Preselection means she sees that other women like you, even subtly. Disqualification means you show interest, but you also lightly imply she might not even be your type. B-roll, subtle body language clips, guys walking confidently, women reacting. You. This combo short-circuits her expectations. You're attractive, but not chasing. You're available, but selective. That's rare, and that makes her rethink everything. Section 3, the trick in action. Let's break down the exact line that creates this reaction. You're texting or talking and say something like, "You're fun, but you seem like you'd be a handful. You're cute, but I don't usually go for your type. You'd probably break my heart. I should stay away." See what's happening? You're not chasing. You're implying you have standards. And she may not qualify, but you're doing it playfully, and that flips the power dynamic instantly. Overlay text of phrases as you read them. Optional role-play example. Section 4, the chase mechanism. Here's what's crazy. When you stop qualifying yourself and subtly disqualify her, she starts to lean in. Her brain kicks in with, "Why isn't he chasing me? What does he mean by that? Wait, does he even like me?" That's when the chase begins. And it's not fake. You're not pretending. You're actually shifting into a higher value mindset. You're showing that you have abundance, that you're not desperate, and that energy is magnetic. Section 5, caution, what not to do. Now, don't get it twisted. This isn't about being a jerk. If you come off arrogant or try hard with these lines, it backfires. The energy has to be light, playful, curious. Like you're teasing, not attacking. And if she starts chasing, don't instantly drop everything and reward her. Stay grounded, stay on purpose. Let her earn your time. That's the secret. Here is the conclusion. Attraction isn't about looks, money, or begging for attention. It's about energy, mindset, and boundaries. This trick works because it's rooted in real psychology, not pickup lines. And when you get it right, the girl who once ignored you will start texting first, will start chasing, will start wondering why she didn't see it earlier. You become the man who doesn't need validation, and that's the most attractive thing you can be. If you got value from this, hit that like button so YouTube shows this to more guys like you. Drop a comment with the word magnet, and I'll send you a bonus tip that turns texting into emotional addiction. And if you're serious about upgrading your confidence, game, and energy, subscribe. Remember, don't chase. Become the man she can't ignore.